Yo YouTube, welcome to this second part of the unboxing. I got my new last part that got arrived. It's part 1 of 3, so that was the second one and over there is the first one. I will be doing this in 2 parts because that one arrived while I was editing the first video. So some parts will be filmed today and some parts will be filmed a few days ago. So there will be some time jumps. Well, alright, I got the top off, and first of all we have like this box here. I don't know what that is. I know what this is, but you guys don't. Or maybe if you look at it a bit like this, then you can probably tell. But I don't know what this is or what this is. I know there needs to be one part in here. Let me open up the box first. Alright, so this is the box. I got it out. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't really know anymore what it could be, but let's have a look. Man, they sure do like tape in Japan. I really need sponsors. Okay, so I opened up the box. Let's have a look what's inside here. What am I still missing? Oh, it's the canards. Oh, yeah, right. I forgot about these. Forgot I ordered these. Oh, well, Japan is going to save the world. Climate change. But let's use a lot of plastic. Oh. These are big boys. I'll just leave that in there. Alright, time to open up the canards. I don't know where to start. Okay, so a quick recap. I did cut my finger in the last shot. Yeah, not the smartest thing to do. But anyway, unboxing needs to go further, so we will unbox everything right now. I did cut like some of this tape off and then I cut in my finger. But everything is good now and we'll open up further. So let's go. Now I have scissors to not cut my finger. Alright. This is looking real fancy. So what we have here are some nice canards for on the front bumper. So this is the first one. It does have a bit of scratching on it, but with painting everything should be just fine. Yeah, RE. I think you know by now that everything is from RE. I won't open this one, or maybe I will, but I won't show it because it's the same but just left and right. But then I will get to the bumper and then I'll show you that one. The last box of inside, the second box. So these are the canards. This is the last one. This isn't like a tuning part or something. This is just something to maintain the clean car. It's also a Mazda OEM part. Got some string in it. Yeah, I won't open it right now, but to show you what it is, it's a car cover from Mazda. It's like a genuine Mazda part, so this car body cover. So yeah, I won't open up it right now, but I will show you in the future when I'm with the car, when I put it over it, so you see. how it looks like. I thought it was white, guess it's silver, so I'll put it back for now. Hop, put the string in as well, so we don't lose anything. Maybe I will need it, maybe I don't. Somebody if you can read Japanese, here we go. I don't, so. But it's like souvenirs, you know what I mean? It's like souvenirs. That was everything from boxes. Yeah, so we have the canards here, body cover over there, and we have everything for the diffuser in here. We have the, oh, this is the box for the canards, and then we have like one big front bumper here we need to unbox as well. I'm excited. I already opened it up a bit because I won't bore you with cutting open all the plastics anymore, but oh my god damn it. Oh. I guess you can already know which one it is. It's like still plastic everywhere and like foam everywhere. Also, we got a bit of animals with us from Japan. Yeah, don't need that. But I think we're almost, I think that was the last one. Alright, let me put up the camera, get all of this out, and then we'll flip this one around, and then you'll see which one it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll lift this up, put it here, then get this out of the way. Alright, I need that though, the bolts are on it, but now, the first time I see it myself. She looks beautiful. Oh my god. So this is obviously also an RE Amemia front bumper. I think it's the 05 model. You have like an 01 and 05. But again, it's been like almost a year since I ordered everything, so I don't know exactly which one is which. But oof, it does look very good. This will need to be adjusted by the body shop. I will fit it myself, but I won't like cut or do anything crazy to it. But yeah, this was it.
Several days later.
But okay, let's open the last box up. But alright, after getting it out of the first box, it's into a second box, and you can already see what's it gonna be. Okay, so first of all, I already undid all of the tape on top, and if you look here, there's a lot of place filling parts inside. I will look how I will undo all of this. Yeah, I will undo all of the tape and then I will capture the next shot. Okay, so while laying it down, I saw that there was like a place where you can cut it open and open up the box, and I think that will be a lot easier than trying to shove it out like this and just flip the cardboard over. I'll try that right now by cutting up all of the tape, and I'll open it up. Alright, so as you guys could see from the time lapse, it was a lot easier to open it like this. But wow, does this look good. I will take out all of those parts of the foam filling things, and I will get the hood out of the box and out of the plastics. It really was, or is, very well packed. It's very glossy white, I must say. It's already looking very good. And now I will undo all of the plastics. Right, so I flipped it around and I saw there is some kind of things in here. I think these are like the flaps or something, or if it rains it doesn't get it doesn't go onto the engine. I think these are those parts, left and right. And what I also saw is that there is already a hinge on here as well, so I don't need to transfer it over from my original hood, and that's like very interesting. so I don't need to do that. Here we can see RE. Yeah, let's open it further up. Boy, oh boy, does it look good. Got the nice ventilation things here. Also right here. Yeah, it will need to be painted, paint matched. So, or like a bit of bodywork needs to be done. Like, I don't think this sharp edge is supposed to be like that. It's like very rough, but overall looks very good. Looks very good. I'll open up that other box I had that was on the other side of it right now. I think those are for the rain. See, so if I take this one, I flipped it over already, so we can see it easily. I think this one's for here. Yeah, it's probably something like that. See, like that hole fits, and over there it will fit as well. See? Yeah, it will be something like this. Probably. But I won't be using them since this car is never going to see rain, so the engine won't ever get wet. But it was like included with the hood, so I won't say no, don't put it in the bag. Yeah, this was the final part of the unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will be mounting the diffuser somewhere in the upcoming months, probably. I thought I wasn't gonna do it, but I probably will do it. So I got the diffuser over there, the other bumper over there, and now I got the hood, and I completely have all of the parts from my body kit now. And now I need to save up some more to get it painted. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one when I mount the diffuser probably. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.